Hello everyone, I am Devranjani from Gossip Funda. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about com.osp.app.signin. OSP stands for Other Service Provider, and as the name suggests, it is used for searching and discovering service providers for your smartphone. It is an app developed by Samsung which helps you switch devices easily. This comes in handy when you are shifting to a Samsung device and it syncs all your apps. So you may have a doubt whether this app steals your data. The answer is no, so you don't need to panic. The app accesses your web applications mainly to refresh the data related to your Samsung and Google account. Now let's see the features of com.asp.app.signin. Find my device feature, save folder, Samsung member, smart application features, Samsung Health, pen.up. Now let's see how to fix the error com.osp.app.signin has stopped unexpectedly. We can fix this error by updating the app. It is the easiest way of solving the problem. To solve this, you just need to allow it to update by giving it the permission OK when it asks you. Downloading the latest version manually. First, open Settings and head over to Biometrics and Security. Tap on Install Unknown Apps and allow apps to be installed from an unknown source. Look for your web browser. Now simply tap on the app you downloaded and install it. Restart your smartphone and check if the error is still there or not. Next is clearing data and cache. Wake up your smartphone and head over to Settings. Tap on App and tap on Show System Apps. Now search for the com.osp.app.signin and open the storage. Tap on Clear Data and Cache and restart your device once done. And that's it. If you want to know more details about com.osp.app.signin, please check out our Gossip Funda blog. The link to the blog is given in the description box below. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe.